Los Angeles, the most anticipated entertainment event in recent history, is minutes away, but this Saturday Fight Night is proving to be vulnerable to Murphy's Law. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. The Los Angeles Times is reporting broadcast outages have affected numerous boxing fans who paid a not insignificant price of $100 for the Floyd Mayweather Jr. vs. Conor McGregor fight. A screen grab in the Times article reads, "Due to the overwhelming volume of requests, we are unable to start your purchase at this time. We will try again shortly," or click home to exit. Overwhelming probably describes how some viewers were feeling, as well as angry, nervous, and conspiratorial. This is a disgrace. You want fans to pay for fights that don't work. No wonder pirating is such a big issue. Disgrace. Kieran Killard at Kirkai on August 27, 2017. UFC tweeted the issue would be fixed, but Times sports reporter Lance Pugmire tweeted the main card event could be delayed due to the technical issues. Hearing trouble with pay-per-view orders. Main event might be delayed, especially if Davis ends this soon. Lance Pugmire at La Times Pugmire, August 27, 2017. At UFC Fight Pass customers, due to overwhelming traffic, you may be experiencing login issues. This will be resolved shortly. UFC at Hutch, August 27, 2017. Trademark and copyright 2017. CBS Local Media, a division of CBS Radio Inc. and its relevant subsidiaries. CBS Radio and iLogo. Trademark and copyright 2015. CBS Broadcasting Inc. Used under license. All rights reserved. Facebook.com/plan your trip. Follow us on Twitter. Copyright 2017. CBS Broadcasting Inc. All rights reserved. Powered by WordPress.com VIP.